Tensions are rising in West Albion, St. Thomas after a squatter settlement, after the demolition of a squatter settlement. Now several persons have been displaced. Carrie Ann Simpson has our report.
Residents of West Albion say they were jolted from their sleep by the sounds of concrete collapsing last week. In the near distance, an excavator clawing into the homes of their neighbors' unfinished houses. The walls of their home ownership dreams crumbled within minutes.
I'm sorry, inform the people for the house them. Make sure them present for them demolish the place. They spend $1 million money now and come see this that get out of that jokes.
West Albion is a growing informal community. While there are a few board structures, majority of the homes are concrete.
From 2014, we capture here so, and we move in 2019, and then now everybody a bill. Everybody come, everybody a bill.
Residents told our newsroom that there was no prior notice of the demolition. 6 structures were brought down between Thursday and Friday by the National Land Agency.
Me see land agency come, I push down people house. So the government send him come push down people house. Right? And the lady house have on top where them push down. Then I even call the lady, tell the lady, say them a push down the house. Then just come demolish the woman house.
The NLA, in a written response to our newsroom, said it has been undertaking squatter management activities on Albion lands since 2024, serving notices, conducting demolitions, and erecting no trespassing signs. It said the signage has oftentimes been removed. The agency says several consultation meetings have been held about the illegal construction expanded beyond the designated areas. For the residents, however,
we not rich, we not have it. You understand? And the people them capture the land and a bill say, all right, when you're not ready for the land pay for them, go save the money for pay for it. Then get the opportunity for bill. Then them pay for.
Tell me.
Regularize the people them, no, man. Give them the place, man. Because you don't want it to be a gully up here, so now we make road and do everything. Make we live.
But the NLA said the lands are reserved for development purposes. The agency said it observed all due protocols in carrying out enforcement on government lands. 28 structures have been earmarked for demolition. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.